Ultrasonic testing. The basic principle of ultrasonic testing of materials is the propagation and reflection of sound wave. In this spectacle, we will use normal probe and angle probe for find the cracks. This is a normal probe signal cable. It should be set to the port like this. This is a normal probe. In this probe, the sound beam is introduced into the test article at 90 degree to the surface. First, we are going to calibrate for normal probe. And this is a calibration block. In this calibration, we use grease for remove the air space because of ultrasonic doesn't travel through air very well. We should find the backwall signal like this. If this is not a still sample, difficult to find backwall signal without set the Olympus setting. After find the backwall signal, and then you should change the setting. First, you should change the velocity according to normal probe. It should be 5900 meter per second, and then range set to 100 because of our calibration block. Maximum height is 100 millimeter. Then gate set onto the peak like this. We should set actual value of 100 millimeter using 0 parameter value. Then normal probe is ready for the testing. In this spectacle, we are going to measure the depth of all these holes from top surface using normal probe. We should find the peak and it should be at highest position. This is the bottom surface backwall signal. This is hole signal. And then gate set onto the peak, and then we can read depth of the hole. First hole depth is 23.95. Then other two hole depth find like this. And then get set onto the peak, and after that we can read depth of the hole. Second hole depth is 15.47 millimeter. Third hole depth is 7.95 millimeter. Then we are going to measure second hole depth using angle probe. First we should calibrate for angle probe using calibration block. First of all, we are going to fix angle probe and its sound cable like this. Then we should set angle probe velocity. It should be 3240 meter per second. And zero parameter should be 0 and range should be set around 100. In this calibration box, this position to curve line distance is 100 millimeter. We are going to calibrate using this distance like this. We can find the backward signal like this and then set gate onto the peak and get actual value of 100 millimeter using 0 parameter. Then angle probe is ready for the testing. We are going to find the middle hole of the sample. Then we can get its value is 22.58 millimeter. These are the vernier readings.